Just sugar. Hey guys, this is Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. It's been like a year since I filmed a video. It's fine. This is Lauren. She's my special guest for today's video. We are going to do a glow up challenge with us, just to get ready with us, how we go from this to, you know, you'll see the end, and right now we're like a 2, we're gonna go to an 8 probably, so we're just gonna get like glam and we're gonna do our makeup. She's gonna show you her everyday makeup if she does wear makeup, and I'll show you my everyday makeup. We both don't do our makeup anymore, but if we do, like, we're gonna pretend we're going somewhere nice. So let's get started. I'm gonna moisturize. This is Neutrogena oil-free acne moisturizer.
Mine is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Mate.
Oh yeah.
Primer.
I forgot to bring like an actual primer, but you know what? It's fine. It's only 90 something degrees outside. We don't need primer. It's gonna melt off my face. And then I have like, I used to have the Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I ran out and I didn't want to buy it. So from Target, sponsored by Target, no, I'm just kidding. I have the Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Soothing Facial Mist, so it's like similar but not, you know? I just inhaled it.
I'm just doing my primer with a brush.
Oh, that's so fancy. Okay. I was tan when I went to Mexico, and then like the tan kind of faded. So if this is orange, I'm sorry. But my other foundation's way too light, so I'm like in between, and I didn't bring the other one to mix it because why would I do that? So this is CoverGirl Outlast Active 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 842. So
mine is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer and Light Beige.
So she's been on my channel before, kind of, not like featured in a video, but she has been in Vlogmas videos. She's back and
better than ever.
She's actually featured on my channel. She's like probably my biggest fan, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. Like,
I literally watch her every day.
Like every time, I don't even have to tell her I uploaded a video. She's already watching it. Like it pops up on her phone, and then she's like, "Oh, Zoe posted a video," and I'm like, "Wow." She actually notices if I'm alive or not, you know? Well, I haven't had time to film, obviously, if you guys haven't noticed. So I made the effort to do 2-in-1, hang out with her and film, because 2-in-1, and by myself is really boring. It's not as fun, you know? This is, Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer.
I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the style 210.
Did you like learn by watching YouTube videos?
Yeah, and like MUA.
Oh yeah.
People on Facebook. Those are my go-to people, man. I have like certain ones that I watch only, though. Don't mind me, I'm just blind, y'all.
Makeup blindfolded. We didn't know it was going to turn into this video.
Exactly.
For powder, I'm going to use Too Faced Primed and Poreless Skin Smoothing Primer, and it's just translucent, so you can use it like under your eyes. Today we are going to vlog for you guys as well, which I'm excited for. We're gonna bring you with us wherever we go. I don't really know where. It's like last minute, but it's fine. And we're gonna go get coffee and do a drive with us, which a lot of people like drive with us videos. If you don't know what they are, then you live under a rock. No, I'm just kidding. But they're like vlogs in the car, basically, is what they are, but like they end up being hilarious because the music that you choose to listen to, or if you're like dancing really weirdly, and her and I have really different music styles, so this should be interesting because we're gonna see what we get on her playlist. My playlist doesn't, we don't know.
I'm using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Translucent. Translucent?
I'm gonna use bronzer now because I need color, guys. This is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, the matte one. I don't know what shade it is because it doesn't say, but it's that one, the matte one. So
where's my? Hang on, oh my gosh.
And I'm not gonna contour. I'm just gonna like bronze up my face because I'm lazy. So
I'm using the Bare Minerals powder. My grandma got it for me a long time ago, so go grandma.
Go grandma. I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells so good.
My grandma
Smell it.
Mm.
It smells like summer in a bronzer. And then I have the Benefit Hula Bronzer. So it just depends on my mood. You know, if I feel like it's smelling like chocolate, coconut, you know. Jeez.
I hate like filling my makeup, you know.
Oh, like feeling it on your face?
Sticky.
Oh,
So I use a lot of powder.
Yeah, because especially now, it's like literally 90 something days.
Yeah.
As soon as you walk outside, sweat.
So like
for blush, I kind of switch. This is Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. But I'm going to use this one. It's my Benefit Living in the California Dream. California blush.
I use the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Light. Now I'm gonna do my blush. I just use the e.l.f. and I don't know, it's the two-toned one, and I use that one. I kind of mix it a little bit. It's bronzed pink beige.
I'm still winning.
But I just do this so it doesn't get too pink.
Oh yeah. Still doing blush. It's fine. I promise I'll blend this out, okay? I just gotta get it like perfect.
Just perfect. It's fine. I'm gonna use my rose water, and then I'm gonna do my highlight.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Lash.
So pretty.
My lids. Maybe not my lash. Look at the glow, guys.
I love highlighter.
Same.
But recently, like if I don't put highlighter on, I've been loving that look too of like matte. It's
Matte.
Yeah.
Like no highlight. Okay. For my brows, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. medium.
Oh, it's the two-tone thingy with the brush.
Yeah, I'm not very good at doing my eyebrows.
Okay. I'm gonna put some under my brow as well, and then like my inner corner, I just like pop it in there. I don't really like take a whole lot. And then I do this part of my face a lot with highlighter. It'll glow in the sun when we're driving.
Yeah, it's not sweat.
We're glistening. So I use two different things. If I want to go like good, like full out brow, like look like I tried hard, and you know, going out somewhere, this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Caramel. It's almost gone, and I'll fill in my brows. But I also, if I'm like running late, which is most days, this is the NYX Micro Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Which one should I use today? I guess I'll use the pencil because you're already almost done with your brows and I'm over here like talking about what product I'm going to use.
I'm going into the Tarte Lip. The Tarte Lip Flirt. This is a transition shade.
I wish I had time for eyeshadow because eyeshadow makes the look, you know, like it can really dress up your look, and like it takes so long that I like put mascara on. Like if I have my face on, I feel like my face makeup, I feel like I'm already put together really. So then I just do brows and mascara most days because again, no time, college, sleep, you know, you got life priorities here.
I can barely get out of bed for class, so I don't know how those people like
go full out for one class for an hour when everyone's in sweatpants and look like they rolled out of bed. Yeah, you get to that point. Like in high school, I got ready every day, did my hair, did my makeup, make sure my outfit was cute. You get to college, after the first, you know, semester, you're like, no one is as dressed up as I am. And then you feel like the oddball because you're the only one in class wearing makeup. Or like you look at everyone and they have like messy buns and you're like dressed up. So then you start realizing no one cares. No one even knows who I am. No one notices that I'm here or not. So like what's the point, right? So then after like the first week of school, no one cares.
I mean, honestly, both of us have boyfriends, so it's not gonna matter.
Like who are we trying to impress? I know. It's like I don't need to be dressed up for learning about whatever I'm learning about in school. Don't even know. It's supposed to be focused, guys. School is important. Okay, not makeup. Unless you're going to school for makeup, but still.
So I used the brown. This is the Glitter Ram Let's Rendezvous Among the Stars. And I used this one right here. It's like a lighter brown. And then I just used a little bit of this to blend it out. I'm going to use this dark brown and just put it right here.
Okay, now I'm finally going to blend these out because, you know, I'm finally done with my eyebrows. It's fine, guys. And then I'm going to set them really quick because, you know, I'm extra. So this is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It's just a clear brow gel so they don't fly away, you know?
Because they're going to. I'm going to go in. This is the Kiss Me Now Love is Bold.
She's using like 8 palettes, guys. If you want to get this look, buy them all.
I've only used like 2 colors out of this one because I'm afraid to do color. I'm gonna go into this color. It's like a nudish color.
I have makeup all over me. It's fine.
And I've used the same brush for everything.
She doesn't wipe it off. Now I'm going to spray my face. I do it like before my mascara because then it gets everywhere if it's wet. And then after my highlight because I don't really care. So I'm just going to spray my face. A lot. For eyeshadow, I didn't bring like a lot because this is what I brought and it wasn't going to fit in the bag anymore. And I'm being realistic, guys. Like, I'm doing my everyday makeup that's not actually every day. And like, I don't do eyeshadow half the time. It's more like for me in the fall and winter when you like get all dressed up in fall clothes. And it's so hot outside. So what I'm going to do to be extra, because I don't even wear eyeshadow anyway, is take this Avon Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Peach Sapphire. Which, never heard of a peach sapphire. Have you? No.
No.
Sapphire is a blue, but that's what it says. It's actually really pretty. They came out with these like recently and they have so many shades like bronze, gold, purple, blue, and they're waterproof, guys. When I tell you they do not come off your eyeball, like you're going to have to get it off. You could cry. They're sweat-proof, waterproof. They don't budge, and it's actually pretty pigmented. It doesn't crease, so I really like it. You don't need a primer. You just put it on. Good to go. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to, you know, put it on my eyelid, make it sparkly.
I didn't use a primer either. I just used some of my concealer and just put
powder,
it on my base powder.
And I bring it into the crease just a little so I look like, you know, I know how to do my makeup. Not really, but you can't see it on camera. But it's sparkly and it's pretty and I like sparkles. So that's all that matters.
I'm going to use this random thing. I don't even warm it up. I just use it like this.
I'm going to do my lips before mascara. I don't know why. That's what I do. It's weird. I'm sorry if you don't like it, but it's fine. No one says you have to do it in a certain order, technically. So for lips, most of the time, I use this NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Tres Leches. I sound white. It's fine. But it's... Doesn't that mean like 3 milk?
Yeah.
Okay, it sounds way better in Spanish, guys, because this makes no sense for 3 milk. But it's not. But I love how smooth and buttery these are. No, it's what it says. I'm not crazy.
This is
Well, that's fancy.
the Kiss Me Now Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's edible, guys. Edible.
It's like, have you heard of the Lush lip scrubs? The bubble gum, popcorn, or whatever? But that's huge.
This is peppermint.
But I feel weird. Like, some people wipe it off, but like, you're eating your dead skin cells on your lips. You know that, right? I eat it too, but I'm just saying, like, if you really think about it, all that dead skin you scraped off, you're swallowing. So, just so you know. She's still eating her lips. Don't mind her.
It's fine. But go back, give a shout out to Kiss Me Now products because this is in the style Cloud9, and look at these lashes, y'all. Look
Not
at them.
sponsored, but like.
I'm not sponsored. And then this palette, the Love is Bold palette, which I believe is sold out now. But look at that. And then these 2 things. Then they have the Sugar Lip Scrub I just used to make your lips.
How many
all
other
nice.
items? She has a lot.
And then the Kiss Me Now dollop. This is the perfect nude. I'm going to wear it today, and you guys are going to see that it's the perfect nude. So, yeah. I don't have a code with them or anything, but get their products. They're amazing.
I'm going to be doing mascara now that my eyelids are dried. I use 2 different kinds. It just depends. I have 500 mascaras that I need to use, so I just kind of like go through them. I use L'Oreal Voluminous and Carbon Black. This is my waterproof one for the summer if I go swimming because it stays on. This is Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express waterproof, and then since I don't want that because I can't get it off my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker.
Now I'm going to set my face before I do my mascara with the NYX. It's fine. I'm still, what the heck?
Oh jeez. You're missing your face.
I'm going to go into, what's that called?
Ciate? I don't think that's right.
London Wonderland mascara. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it looks like. It came in a little travel thing, like a tryout.
Like Ipsy or like?
Yeah, actually. I think that's what it came out. Do you guys want to see my finished look? It's kind of blurry a little bit. Maybe not.
Yeah, if you sit still, it'll focus. Yeah, there you
Hey.
Hi!
And a fun fact about me, I'm buying a house at 19 years old.
So when are you actually like moving in?
We closed July 10th, so less than 2 weeks. Wow. Have I started packing?
No. That's what it looks like. It's just like sparkly every day. It's actually more than every day. Oh, hello.
She wanted to be in the video.
So that is our finished makeup looks. This is how we glam up and go from looking like a potato to like, what's a better version of a potato? So we're gonna go vlog. I don't know if this video will be up before or after the vlog, but if either way, the vlog will be linked down below. If you like more, non-makeup videos, then we're gonna do a drive with us. It should be interesting, unplanned, last minute. It'll be fun. So come join us. If you want her on my channel more, please thumbs up this video. Turn on the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will talk to you guys later.